Hey guys, so today I have a very exciting review video. I'm going to be reviewing Sludgy Slimes. So they included a really nice thank you note, and their Instagram is sludgy.slimes. I'll link it in the description. And we have some extra beads that'll be fun to kind of mix in with slime. Borax. This is a good amount of borax, I would say. Pretty generous. And then we have this cute little chick, which I believe could be an eraser. It feels like an eraser, but it's really cute. And then we have some washi tape and awesome packaging. We got packing peanuts, and then we have some candy as well. Alrighty, so all the slime is packaged individually in some bubble wrap. I'll start with this. This is called Unicorn Treat. There's some really pretty hollow glitter there at the top. And I believe there is something in here. There's a charm in there. Go ahead and keep that in there. Smell-wise, I don't really smell anything. Not sure if there is supposed to be scent, but it doesn't really smell like anything. It is really stretchy. It's kind of like a butter slime. It's really nice. Really super stretchy. This one looks really nice and glossy. This one is called Unicorn. This one is very nice and glossy and clicky. So it's just this really pink color, and it has some foam beads in it. This one is lemon lime. This one is a little bit sticky, but that could be because of, shipping, weather. That always happens. So I'm going to go ahead and add some borax to see how it goes. Alrighty, so after adding in a little bit of the borax and water, it's already feeling a lot less sticky, so that's good. And I love the texture of this. It is so smooth and so nice. It's like frosting. It's really awesome. I just keep kind of playing with it because it's so much fun. This one's chocolate buttercream. So I think it's like the same texture as that lime one. And this one does indeed smell like chocolate buttercream. It's pretty awesome. Again, great texture. This one is a bit less sticky than the other one, so I don't think I'll have to add borax, but yeah, I love the texture. It really reminds me of chocolate buttercream, so I think that's like a very fitting name. And it looks like a little tiny bit of it got squeezed out, probably because this thing is super full. Whoa. Let's take a look at this. And it also just smells really clean. It smells like soap, like a face mask, perhaps. So this one is cool, and I love the color. It's like a black color, but it's like a little bit kind of gray tone. It is really fun, and yeah. Overall, I had a very awesome time reviewing these slimes. They are great quality, and they come definitely with a lot. Like this one overflowed a bit even, but that's okay. And yeah, I just think they are really awesome textures, very pretty. I love how stretchy they are. It's really awesome. So yeah, check out Sludgy Slimes. I'll link them in the description box. And thanks for watching.